is Zell Taylor, and I'm a part of the Kinfolk Land Collective, and I'm here at Wild Abundance today to look at the tiny home that will now be offering housing on our land down in Georgia. And it's actually a really great deal of getting a shell that's already done and you're only paying for the cost of material, but there's still enough space for you to add your own flair to it.
In the back corner, we're still framing it out, but space for a bathroom back here, which will just be like a shower and toilet. Sinks right over there in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And then the loft is going to be right about here,
Wow.
taking up that whole space room.
This is so nice.
And we'll see how far along we get. We generally get pretty close to getting everything done. There might still be like the stairs to put in up to the loft. Yeah, good starting point because like it's dried in enough that you can start messing around in here pretty much right away, and you don't have to be too rushed with it.
I'm just at a loss for words. It's very surreal.